Cody out front. We got Cody just down there on the outside. Oh my God! Josh, he was out there doing his thing, but we got that mask and video of it. Oh, look at that! Oh, that was close. We got the hood up to the back now. That's all right. Out front right now, Cody Jr. Oh, baby! Oh, it's gone. Josh, he was out there having down. He's coming for you. Josh, he was coming. Chantel can't see. Josh, he was So we're watching right now. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, Josh Eva's taking a roll. Taking a roll. Josh Eva's out there by himself. Josh Eva's taking a hard roll up there in turn 1 and 2. They're going to push him back. He's a big boy. He doesn't want to crawl out. Come on, get her back on all fours. Josh, he was round of applause for the madman himself.